Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about a quarter. You will need your My Coin book for reference, a writing utensil, and your quarter packet. Before we jump in, I'd like for you to think about a time that you used a quarter. When was the last time you used a quarter and what did you use it on? I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. Go ahead and say your answer. All great answers. For me, the last time I used a quarter was in the vending machine, these little machines. Just put a quarter in and you get a prize. Can you all think of another way you can use quarters? Maybe you're like me and you collected all the 50 states quarters. Some people choose to collect coins, like me. Maybe you might want to try and do that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in. Let's review. Can anybody tell me what the first coin we talked about was? That's right, it was a penny. And how much was it worth? Great job, 1 cent. What president was on the front? You got it, Abraham Lincoln. Great job. What was our second coin we talked about? That's right, a nickel. How much was it worth? 5 cents. And what president was on the front? Thomas Jefferson. Good job, guys. And our third coin we talked about yesterday? That's right, a dime. How much was it worth? 10 cents. And who's on the front? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Great job, guys. Right, now we're going to talk about a quarter. This is a quarter. How much was it worth? That's right, 25 cents. And what president's on the front? George Washington. Great job, guys. Right? So this is a quarter. What are some of the characteristics? What are some things you know about the quarter that we just watched in the video? Go ahead and let you think about it. Go ahead and say your answer. All great answers. Good job, guys. Right, now you're going to need your quarter packet. We're going to fill in some characteristics or things we know about the quarter. Who can tell me how much a quarter is worth? That's right. It's worth 25 cents. Good job. I'll give you a few seconds to write that down. Good job. And what president is on the front? You got it. George Washington is on the front. Good job, guys. I'll give you a few seconds to write that down. And like the nickel and dime, what color or what is a quarter made out of? You got it, silver. Good job. Okay. Remember, this is a penny. This is a dime. This is a nickel. And this is a quarter. Do you think the quarter is smaller or larger than the rest of the coins? That's right. Quarter is large. Go ahead and give you all a few more seconds to jot these down. Great job, guys. Right, turn into your packet to these 2 sheets. Okay, so you're going to color them silver. You're going to cut them out, and then you're going to glue them back to back. So you'll have the front and the back. Just like we did with the penny, nickel, and dime. Then you have this worksheet. You're going to color a quarter. Then you're going to trace the word quarter. Then you're going to write the word. Then you're going to cut these out and spell out the word. Then we have this worksheet. Remember, you're going to count all the heads and tails, and you're going to write the numbers in here. Remember, you can color them. It might help you to notice the difference between heads and tails. So maybe you could color heads blue and tails green. You'll be able to determine. Or you can do like I suggested and write 1, 2, 3. Like this. You could have a 1, a 2, 3. You could keep going for all the heads, and then you can go for the tails, and you'll know your number. And then our last activity, you're going to cut out all the quarters that you see, and you're going to paste them in here. And remember, it's kind of tricky, so there's nickels, dimes, quarters, and pennies, and all you're trying to look for are the quarters. So let's review. This is a quarter, that's right. And how much is it worth? 25 cents. Good job. Remember, I've also included your reference sheets if you need them, and extra coins that you can use to help you. Thank you, guys.